वस्सलामु अला सय्यिदिल मुरसलीन व अला आलिहि व अस्हाबिहि अजमईन अम्मा बाद. Honorable guests, respected scholars, distinguished elders and my fellow Pakistanis. Today we gather to celebrate a sacred day, the day when by the grace of Allah Almighty, the dream of a separate homeland for the Muslims of the subcontinent became a reality. 14th August 1947 is not just a date in history. It is a testament to the power of faith, unity and sacrifice. Allah says in the Holy Quran, وَاعْتَصِمُوا بِحَبْلِ اللَّهِ جَمِيعًا وَلَا تَفَرَّقُوا. And who firmly to the rope of Allah all together and do not become divided. This verse teaches us that our strength lies in unity. Pakistan was born because millions of Muslims stood together under the leadership of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah with one unwavering belief, faith, unity and discipline. Pakistan is not just a piece of land. It is an idea, essential for our faith, our culture and our identity. It is the fruit of countless sacrifices, the blood of martyrs, the tears of mothers and the unwavering resolve of our forefathers. Urdu poet Allama Iqbal says, जहाँ नामाए हक लिखना है खूने जिगर के सिवा कुछ भी नहीं, यहाँ हक की हुकूमत होगी वरना दुनिया में कहीं भी नहीं. Today, as we stand under the shadow of our green and white flag, we must ask ourselves, are we truly honoring these sacrifices? Are we building the Pakistan that was envisioned by Iqbal and Jinnah? Our duty is clear, to uphold justice, equality and Islamic values, to educate our youth with knowledge, morality and patriotism, to strengthen our nation with unity and hard work. We will protect Pakistan from violence and corruption. We will work tirelessly for its progress and prosperity. We will never forget the price paid for our freedom. In closing, I leave you with these powerful verses. यही हमारी पहचान, यही हमारी शान होगी. यही हमारी पहचान, यही हमारी शान होगी. ये वतन हमको जीने का सलीका सिखाएगा. पाकिस्तान का मतलब क्या? ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह. वस्सलामु अलैकुम.
Now I want to conclude this program with the national anthem. Hafiz Muhammad son of Muhammad Badr Alam, please come on the stage with his fellows for national anthem.